Version 2 of the integration between SparkHire's video interviewing platform and JazzHR's recruiting software enables customers to screen candidates faster and more effectively than ever before. With this integration, mutual customers will create interview packages in SparkHire that consist of all of their interview details. These interview packages will be added as assessments on job workflows in JazzHR, so candidates that go through the SparkHire workflow for that job in JazzHR are routed to the proper SparkHire interview. Once the SparkHire integration has been activated in your JazzHR settings, you'll begin configuring your interview packages. Log into your SparkHire account and navigate to the Integrations page for JazzHR version 2 in your settings. Click to configure the integration, and then click to create interview packages. First, you'll select the SparkHire job that you'd like the interview to be associated with. Next, select the question set you'd like to use for interviews created for that particular job. If you don't find a job or question set that you like in the dropdown, simply return to your SparkHire dashboard to create new jobs and question sets. Once you've selected your job and question set, you'll pick a relative deadline for interviews created using this package. We recommend choosing a deadline between 5 to 7 days for candidates, but you can certainly choose a shorter deadline if your candidate knows that the interview is on its way to them. Click to create the interview package and you'll see it listed below in your current interview packages. After you've configured the packages in SparkHire, you can begin to add them to your JazzHR job workflows. In JazzHR, navigate to your settings to create a new email template that can be used when you move the candidate to the video interview stage of the workflow. While you can choose whatever content you'd like, we recommend using a version of the sample wording that you can find in the Help Desk article on configuring this integration. It's important for candidates to know how to access their interview and who to contact if they should need support throughout the process. Next, select a job that you'd like to use video interviewing for. Click to edit the job's workflow, and find the step of the workflow that you'd like to add the video interview to. Then click to add an assessment. In the modal that appears, select the email template that you created. On the next screen, make sure SparkHire is the chosen assessment provider, and then choose the interview package you configured in SparkHire under Assessment to Send. When everything looks correct, click to add the assessment. You'll now see the SparkHire interview listed as an assessment to send to the candidate for this step in the job's workflow. Once you've added the assessment to a job in JazzHR, you're ready to begin sending out interviews. You can invite a single candidate to the video interview by advancing them to the stage that includes the video interview. An assessment modal will ask you to confirm that you'd like to send the video interview assessment. Keep the box checked and confirm the status change in order to send the video interview out to the candidate. You can also send a single interview to a candidate by navigating to the Candidates Assessments tab and clicking to send the SparkHire assessment. Confirm the email template that you'd like to send and click to send the assessment. The assessment will show as sent in the candidate's record until it's completed. Version 2 of the integration also enables you to send video interviews to candidates in bulk. Select the Bulk Actions option on the job and select the candidates you'd like to invite to interview. Select the Bulk Actions option for those candidates and toggle to change the workflow status. Select the stage of the workflow that includes the SparkHire interview, and you'll see the assessment to send the interview. Again, keep the box checked and scroll down the page to complete the bulk action. Now that you've sent the assessments, you'll see the video interview listed in the candidate's records under Assessments. The interview status will be marked as sent until the candidate completes the interview. Once completed, you'll receive an email notification and your team will be able to access the completed interview. Click to view the details of the interview and it will open the SparkHire interview in a new tab for quick access to SparkHire's collaboration tools, including sharing, rating, commenting, and more. For additional information on the integration, head to sparkhire.com and request a demo. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your SparkHire Customer Success Manager today.